bro. The vocals are crazy. Ah! Hi everyone, what's up? I hope you're doing great and I hope you're doing fantastic. It's a rainy season in Jamaica. It's a rainy season. I mean, like, rain has been falling for like days and days and days now. But if you guys are in a country where rain doesn't fall as much as what we do have in Jamaica, then you all should stay safe as well, because everywhere we go, we have a natural disaster on our hand, right? So in Jamaica, it's in the tropical, so we are gonna get rain, mostly rain. And if you guys are located in a country where no rain is falling but snow, then you guys will get snow. But here in Jamaica, it's a rainy season. Rain, 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 and more rain. But that's just my little story time. So guys, we are back again for Be First. Some of my favorite singers out there in this blessed world. So people, we're gonna react to the official music video for Sailing. I think this video was featured for the One Piece and Fishman Island rather, and it's something that I do love. So I want to see what the video is detailed about, to see if the video is resonating to the official song itself. And let's dive in. Peace. Be First, they are one of my favorites of all time, and once I could find my favorites dropping bangers, I'm here to support. Family is something that we all should embrace, bro. Right? We all should stand by our family side. It doesn't matter how hard time gets, it doesn't matter how things aren't going the way it should, but family always sticks, bro. But we have some family, they are not good. But the good family do remains, bro. So let's continue. Be ourselves. Let us all not lie to ourselves. Let's keep it realistic. 110% real, because we have some people at this point that will lie to themselves and lie to others. So if you're not truthful to yourself, then you're not a trustworthy person for yourself, bro. Best believe. Good listening to these guys. Unfortunately, they are not singing in English, but I can feel everything coming from this music. These guys are masters and craftsmen at what they do. Best believe me, bro. Very great dance. The music video is going great. It's matching the criteria of the One Piece promotion. It's matching the criteria, bro. This is very energetic and very energized. The video is awesome. Oh, yo, give me a moment. I am feeling good. Oh my god. Hey, these guys, bro. These B first guys. Damn. Damn. Fabulous. Rock the party. Let's be fools, bro. Bro. Hey, let's drink. Let's smoke. Let's be fools for tonight. Let's rock the party, my bro. Let's all vibe, man. Oh my god. Hey, these guys, bro. These guys are incredible. Perfect. Ah, hey, what a good moment. What a good moment. Wow, 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 wow. What a good moment. Pa, 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 pa. Voice, magical. Oh my goodness. Oh, yo, yo, these guys, bro. These guys are way more talented than I expected, man. I mean, like, yeah, I knew they were talented. I knew. But this one is in overdrive. This performance, it's in overdrive, bro. look at these guys. Made people happy. They made me happy. Their dances are so good. The unity that they provide, it's so good. Friendship is important, bro. And also family. So let us all cherish the friends that we have now, because nowadays these friends are messed up, bro. Frenemies. So families, let's not go there, bro. So let's proceed because these guys are killing. Bah! 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 Yo, be first. You guys have done greatly, greatly, bro. Well, I guess you guys reach us for this reaction. If you guys enjoy this reaction, remember to leave a like on this video. And you all know you should smash that subscribe button. Share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in the next Be First video. Peace.